A 60-year-old differently abled Kuki men of Sagang village reportedly came to Pukhao, Naharup under the Sagolmang police station in Khudrakpam Assembly constituency in Imphal East district this morning. The men has been safely handed over to security forces by the villagers. The man has been identified as Sailun Guite, aged 60, son of Paulam Guite. The villagers took care of him as he came to the village and was later handed over to a joint team of security forces comprising OCs of Saikul Police Station and Sagolmang Police Station, personnel of 12th Gorkha Regiment, 16 and 18 Assam Rifles. Speaking to media persons, a resident of Pukhao, Naharup, Naurems Neji, said the villagers safely handed over Sailun to the security forces on humanitarian ground as he is differently abled, despite the killings and torture of Meiteis regardless of their age by Kuki militants in the name of fighting for a separate administration since May 3rd.
May tarik dagi hongna Kuki singna aikogi Meitegi yum mai thaba amadi kan mai kapsula kuna singba kaya thokto nga si je Manipur da kangluki irang sauna to yadubo maraksida aikogi wakan kan bawat pa aikogi saram chat pa Kuki jina aikogi Meitegi nupi angang amadi wakan kan bangamdrawa wakan soirwa khakta nga sibog da makoina kaktana hatpagi bitu protest mayam momone Facebook da thagalaga jo singa simak aikogi Pukhao na haruki jaga sida Kuki masangi Kuki je aikoina wahang hung tawda maji mioi bagi waklon dagi kitang thaido ko man bahaydi mima nadraba mali aduna ekoi mioi bagi satna bigi wang bada Kuki sina kaktan hatlaga so ekoi de mioi ba amoina ekoi manipuri jati di ekoi Meitei jing de ekoi mioi bagi waklon sapchana khalba ngami haybadumak ekoi na makoi utpoina ngasi mak sangi ba Kuki gi nipa do ekoi na mari leina ba security processing da sinaduna makoi gi khunda yohun biro haidana ngasi mak security processing da ekoi sinajagre.